Hey guys, this is Alex from Tonschale Studios in Germany. I have to say I'm an audio engineer, and what you see is a program to analyze audio. You see the left channel and the right channel. The left channel is the upper one, the right the lower one. You can see the whole frequency spectrum of an audio file. So it starts in the lower part with the bass frequencies, then in the mid frequencies, and the upper frequencies, the very highs. So today I'm going to check the new Tool record, which I'm a bit disappointed, I have to say, because it has very much clipping issues. It sounds really ugly. The song I chose was Pneuma, the second song of the record, and there is a part at around 9 minutes where it's very obvious what's happening. Let me just show you what I mean. I hope you hear it. Yeah, during the drum fills it's very obvious. I show it to you again. And again. Okay, let's zoom in a little to make it a bit visible, more visible, and to understand what's wrong here. What we can see here are the transients of the drums in the more or less yellow, and in the orange part there are the clippings. As you can see, the clippings made the audio file in the very high frequency go crazy. I think it was the compression of the audio codec. With this tool I have, it's from iZotope, it's called RX. It's actually a restoration tool. There you can make it visible, and yeah, you can try to repair it. So I will try to locate these clippings in this drum fill, in this particular one, and repair it. With this algorithm, it's possible to it's like Photoshop for audio, and you can repair audio, and you select your selection and it analyzes what's happening before and after, and then it calculates what might been good here, what would fit. So yeah, let's do it quickly on this part of the song. And this is very rudimentary. This is not as I would do it in a mastering or a restoration job. This is just to show you how it would sound if you take a couple of seconds to remove these clippings. Okay, now I show you how it sounds without the clippings. And here is a short A/B between the clipping version and the less clipping version. And here are only the clippings. Yeah, now I want to thank iTunes for selling records that sound like shit without quality control. Yeah, and I would like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Until the next time.